In the last video, we discussed what a website is and 5 reasons why you need a website. This video, I will introduce you to Whogohost and how to get registered. My name is Oluyemide Onolapo and I'm still your trainer on this course on how to create, manage, and host your website domain name on Whogohost. Let's continue. The first question we are going to ask in the part 2 of this series is, who is Whogohost and why are they better? Whogohost is a Nigerian owned hosting platform, and we believe Whogohost is the most trusted platform for web hosting in Nigeria and also ranked well in Africa. Wow! It is impossible to have a website without you first getting a domain name and a hosting platform, which will be explained later. It was hard and expensive before to get a domain name and a hosting yourself. You will need lots of dollars, but with this platform Whogohost, it is now available and affordable, and anyone can host a website. Even you. So how do you go about it? Find a special Whogohost referral link in the description section of this video. Open in a new tab, and there you are on Whogohost. Creating a Whogohost account. Use our referral link. Copy it in the video description below. Open in a new tab, which will direct you to Whogohost main website. On getting to the page, on the top right hand corner of your laptop or desktop or big screen, whichever you are using, click on the menu My Account, or if you are using a mobile device or a small screen, click on My Account, which is the last on the top menu of the website. If you are able to click on My Account, it will direct you to login page. As a new user, locate the account button at the right hand side of the screen and click on it to unveil the register button. Click register to open the registration form. This figure represents Whogohost registration form, and you should be there already. Fill the form truthfully and with an active email address. Use a password you won't forget. Congratulations, you have just created your first Whogohost account. After creating an account, a mail will be sent to your email address. Open your email and click on the confirmation link in order to activate the account created. To log in case you are logged out and you need to log in, just click on Accounts, then click on Login, then enter your email address and your registration password. If the combination is correct, then you are logged into the system. Each user has a user dashboard. As a logged in user, a personalized dashboard is created for the user to enable the user manage his or her account as well as all other owned services and products. From the Whogohost dashboard, what the user does basically is to monitor and manage his account. Here is what a Whogohost logged in user dashboard looks like. Before we end this tutorial, there is a quiz here. How easy was it for you to create an Whogohost account? Share your Whogohost account experience in the comment section of this video. Summary. In this video, we were able to introduce you to the #1 hosting platform in Nigeria, Whogohost, and how to register. In the next video, we will teach you on some things to consider in choosing a domain name. Remember to drop your questions and reactions in the comment section of this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel at Free Websites Dev for more videos, and also follow us on Instagram at Free Websites Dev. Forward all your mails to freewebsites18@gmail.com. This video is proudly sponsored by Free Websites Dev. Behind the camera is B Babs Pixel, and I, the trainer, still remains Oluyemide Onolapo. See you in the next video.